Have you ever pondered how we, as a species, manage to send enormous rockets streaking into the cosmos? A simple question, yet it opens a universe of possibilities. The launching of rockets is not just about the spectacle of fire and smoke, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for knowledge. We've always been fascinated by the night sky, the twinkling stars, and the vast unknown expanse of space. It's a curiosity that's as old as humanity itself. With our feet planted firmly on the ground, we've gazed upwards, wondering what's out there and how we can reach for the stars. Rocket launches are the bridges we've built to the cosmos. They symbolize our desire to explore, to understand, and to push the boundaries of our existence. They are a testament to our relentless curiosity and our refusal to be confined by our earthly limitations. To truly appreciate these marvels of engineering, one must understand the process behind launching a rocket. Rocket launching is no simple feat. It involves a series of complex steps meticulously orchestrated. Let's break it down. We begin with the pre-launch phase. Here, the rocket is assembled and prepared for its journey. This process involves attaching multiple stages, each carrying its own engine and fuel supply. The rocket is then loaded with its cargo, or payload, which can range from satellites to scientific instruments. Next, we move into the ignition and liftoff stages. The countdown begins, and when all systems are go, the engines ignite. The force of the engines pushes the rocket upwards, overcoming the pull of Earth's gravity. This is a critical phase, as the rocket must generate enough force to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. As the rocket ascends, it enters the in-flight stage. Here, it navigates and adjusts its course using onboard computers and ground control guidance. The rocket sheds its lower stages as their fuel is depleted, a process known as stage separation. Each discarded stage reduces the weight of the rocket, allowing it to travel faster and reach higher altitudes. Finally, we reach the orbital insertion and payload deployment stages. The rocket's upper stage engine propels it into its intended orbit. Once in orbit, the payload is deployed. This could be a satellite being placed into orbit, a probe sent to another planet, or supplies for the International Space Station. The payload deployment is a delicate operation, requiring precise timing and positioning to ensure the cargo reaches its intended destination. And just like that, a rocket has successfully made its journey from Earth to space. This intricate ballet of engineering and physics is what propels humanity further into the cosmos, enabling us to explore the universe and unlock its mysteries. But remember, each launch is more than just a technological achievement. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless desire to reach for the stars. Rocket launches, while awe-inspiring, are more than just a spectacle. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Today we've delved into the captivating world of rocket launches, shining a light on the intricate steps involved in sending these majestic machines soaring into the cosmos. We've seen how crucial they are, not just as a feat of engineering but as a beacon of our collective dreams and aspirations. Every launch represents a carefully choreographed dance of technology and physics, a testament to the power of human curiosity and innovation. From the moment of ignition to the final stage separation, each phase is an embodiment of meticulous planning, precise execution, and years of scientific progress. As we continue to reach for the stars, remember that every rocket launch is a step towards unraveling the mysteries of our universe. In the grand expanse of space, the sky is truly not the limit.